Here is the roof of the car. As far as it goes, very straightforward. Back is very simple. As you'll see when we start working towards the front, you need to really start working out towards the edges. This is just your only difficult part of the kit. Just make sure we got our void set up just right. Okay, go around the little satellite antenna here. Once again, this car has been cleaned very good. We used alcohol and we used the Croftgate surface prep. Just allows for a great adhesion. Make sure the car is really clean, wax and all the buildup that will happen out there on the lot. Okay, and what I will do is go back over once again, squeegee very firm, take off the mask, post heat, and you're good to go. Guys, here is the deck lid. Just once again, just very simple pieces. For the spoiler, we've got it cut so it'll fit just barely under the spoiler. We've got a simple hinge method once again going. Just do your normal peel back, cut, and then we will be good to go. One thing you'll always notice I do anytime I cut is you gotta wipe off any kind of little burrs or pieces of paper that'll come off with the liner with this vinyl. You just don't want anything getting stuck, any kind of junk or debris underneath your vinyl. So peel this off. Alright, take off our mask and we're good to go. Here's a spoiler, just quick little tip here. To line this thing up on your tape, what you're basically doing, as soon as the material is touching your deck lid stripe, you basically then can line that up, put it right against your 1-inch void, and then you're set to go. The other thing you can do, put another piece of tape, line up here, do your wax marks, and then you've got your perfect registration mark for this to roll and tuck under, and then this back end is going to roll. Okay. Pretty simple, right? Put that flat side on first. Use your fingers, start rolling over. Okay. Same with this back side. If you guys have not tried this Supreme Wrap material, I definitely suggest it. It'll save you a lot of time. Alright. Alright. Take off our mask. Come back, make sure our edges are good. Ready to move on to the next piece.